All right. This is the Belly Olympics, take one.
First, we were using the sled.
Yeah, they were. Now she's gonna do it without a sled. She's a very brave soul. I'm rolling, yeah. Let's see it. Whoa! Holy smolies! Wow, what do you think of that?
That's fun.
Just fun?
Your turn.
Oh. Okay, here I go.
Dad, hold the video thing so they can see what it looks like.
Here I go. I'm gonna try. I tried this once before, just to let you know. I didn't quite go as fast as the children did. I also got snow down my shirt, so I'm kind of fixing that right now. There we go. Okay. Oh boy, I don't have my gloves on either. Oh,
Dad, don't bother.
oh well.
Ryan, get out of the trail.
I don't think Ryan has to worry. Based on past performance, I'm gonna try this while holding the video camera. So hold on while I get ready here. Okay, you ready? Here I go. Ah! Oh! Wow!
Was on the
I'm alive. I'm alive. Don't worry. I'm okay.
Dad, it's my turn.
If you say so. Can somebody move me, please? Ah!